The ultrasonic anti-fouling process uses sound waves to keep your hull clear from algae and barnacle growth. The way it works is incredibly simple. A control box, which produces a series of specific frequencies, sends pulses to a transducer, which is fitted to the inside of your boat's hull. No holes need to be drilled, and it's not difficult to install the system. These sound waves resonate through the hull, which acts as an amplifier. As a result, the algae and barnacles which would normally attach to the boat will choose another habitat because they just can't survive in the conditions created. It's a simple and effective process that will ensure your hull stays clear, allowing you more time to enjoy your boat and benefit from the cost savings. You'll get much better performance, spend less on fuel, and it saves you the laborious and expensive task of hauling out, scrubbing off and repainting year on year. It's completely harmless to humans and to other species, including fish, mammals and aquatic plant life. Now have a look at our installation video and see how simple it is to fit. Positioning the transducers is equally simple. A transducer will be placed as near as possible to the stern gear in every case. Where there are two transducers, the second would be placed 1/3 of the way back from the bow. In the case of sandwich construction, they must be in contact with the outer skin of the hull. The ultrasonic anti-fouling system. Simple, cost-effective, easy to install. For the system to suit your boat, visit the online store now.